Hi everyone, thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. This is Kara and I have Anne, one of our nurses here at Radiance, and today I'm going to ask you some questions about lips. What causes lips to thin out over time?
Sure. So aging leads to collagen loss, sun exposure, repetitive motions of the lips, all of which contribute to lips becoming flatter and less defined.
That makes sense. How can thin lips be enhanced at Radiance?
So we offer subtle, natural-looking lip enhancement using advanced injectable techniques. Our goal is to restore the volume and definition without overdone look, just a refresh, balance, and enhancement that suits your facial features.
Okay. Well, can lip enhancement also address lip lines?
Yes. So we can use some very fine of our HA filler products.
Okay.
And we also can use a little bit of our tox to help control the muscle movements that would lead to those fine lines. So many times we have a combo treatment for those types of things.
Nice. Well, thank you so much for joining us, Anne. If you have further questions about lip rejuvenation, just schedule a consult with Anne or one of our other amazing nurses here.